some cool water, get some vinegar, the chicken leg. Okay? So first of all, you want to take the skin off. It doesn't need to be water. Just take the skin off. I don't trust skin so much. Okay, and then you can put all the fat. Inside the thigh, you have this thing here. McDonald's, KFC always leave this in, and I hate it because it reminds me of brains. I don't know why the thighs have brains in them, but they do. So I like to put them on. You can use a knife if you don't want to feel like whatever, but when I'm eating this chicken, I should be confident enough to touch it. So this is what it looks like. See? Dash that way, we don't want that. And now when they're done, see all this thing here, that's just pure fat. This is not the best knife to use, but don't watch that. Peel off the fat. The fat is all over, you can see it. Peel off the fat. Now to know where to cut your chicken, you see where this piece is? That's the joint. Right here, so you can see the line going for it. So right here, so. And this knife is dull, so you know so that's where the joint is. See? So you got your leg. You have it done. Alright. That's how you clean the leg and thigh piece. Chicken wings. Don't just dash them in there. See? They have feather. Who want to eat feather? Me don't want them. Me don't want them feather, you know? Me don't want them feather. Don't give me no feather from my phone. If me don't want feather from my phone, me just go out the door and eat the raw chicken. Don't give me no feather. Clean your wings. Yeah? I don't want to fly when I come up with more. Oh, them feather. Take them off, and I want them. Them here. See that? Feather? You can see that? Alright. You know what? It might take a long time, but my goodness, it's going into your body. Take care of yourself. And, you know, don't try poison yourself. Take the time and cook your food. Food made with love tends to normally be good food.